Surprisingly, there are tons of vegan options here in Baltimore, so I'm going to show you some of my top picks. I'm Lauren Z. Ray, a vegan traveler who travels to a new city every month, and this month is Baltimore. So our first stop is here at Alexander's Tavern, where apparently they have some pretty good pizzas, and you can substitute any other cheeses for vegan mozzarella cheese, which is exactly what we did. So we got the veggie pizza with vegan cheese. Veggie pizza looks really good, and it's like cheesy. Look at that. Really good, crunchy crust, good amount of cheese, and lots of vegetables, which I love. I hate when they skimp on vegetables. They don't do that here. So if you want to get a drink, but you want bar food, this place is great because you can get a vegan pizza. Highly recommend. Our next stop is Papi's Tacos, where they have tons of vegan options, and I mean tons of vegan options, but today we're gonna get some tacos. So we ended up ordering is some gingerbread horchata, which I find to be very interesting. We'll see what it tastes like. And some chair-side guacamole, which is gigantic, but also looks delicious, and 2 vegetarian tacos. The first one is with Beyond Meat, and it's in a corn tortilla, and the other one is a flour tortilla, and it's their vegetarian. This is a lot of food. We just had pizza. I don't know how we're gonna finish any of this, but I will attempt to try some at least, right? Okay, first up, some chips, some salsa. Super fresh, love it. Some of this epic guacamole, which we will never finish. I don't know why I ordered it. Avocados are really nice, not too salty. Love. I'm gonna attempt to move this gigantic. Before I dig into the tacos, I gotta try this horchata. Oh my God, what? It's like a candy, liquid candy going down your throat, slash a Yankee Candle. Random, but I love it.
Whoa. I think you did a good description when you talked about what it tasted like.
Luckily, these are street taco sized, so maybe we will be able to eat some of them. This is the vegetarian one. It has cactus and yucca. Chef's kiss. Love a good green salsa. Good one. I gotta try this Beyond Meat taco now. Can anybody eat tacos cute? The red sauce is really good. I like that amount of spice. I like spicy food though, so.
Lauren, there is a cute way to eat a taco.
No. Okay,
it's like
so
this.
Like this. Don't think so. If you're looking for a place that's vegan and non-vegan, Papi's Tacos has tons of options, and all the options are delicious. Their vegan options are delicious. Highly recommend coming here. And our last stop of the day is Bmore Licks, which is an ice cream shop that has tons of vegan flavors. And they've got this one, peppermint Oreo, and they also had what I was hoping for, peppermint stick, which is my favorite flavor during the holidays. All right, first one up is Lukas's peppermint Oreo, which looks phenomenal. Looks like my ice cream, but with Oreos. Pepperminty flavor with chunks of cookies. Can't go wrong. And also Lukas got this lovely cone. Jealous. I got a dish. It's exactly what I wanted. Chunks of peppermint, basically. Mint ice cream with chunks of peppermint. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's my favorite flavor. Love it. I can't believe it's vegan. It's really good. They've got good vegan ice cream here. And my hair's crazy. It's windy. You know, what are you gonna do? It's been a day of eating. I don't know if I can even finish this. If I can finish both of them, just kidding. Lukas looked at me like, ooh, that's mine. I'm jealous, I should've got yours. Although mine's really good too. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all this food. I sure did. I'm super full, but it was delicious, so I don't regret it. If you like this video, if you like food, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more vegan travel, like our 1700s home tour and what to do in Baltimore. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.